I'm Julio Capo, and let's queer up South Florida and Florida. Florida's Holy Cross Health recognized as the LGBTQ plus healthcare equality high performer. The health system is the only one in Florida to receive the honor from HRC this year. Their Healthcare Equality Index is the nation's leading benchmarking tool for measuring LGBTQ plus inclusion and equity in healthcare. Conducted every 2 years, the 2026 survey included nearly 750 participating healthcare facilities nationwide, with only about 350 receiving the high performer designation. Holy Cross Health is one of only 3 healthcare organizations in Florida to receive a top-tier 2026 Healthcare Equality Index designation. It is the only acute care hospital in the state to achieve the recognition, highlighting its commitment to providing LGBTQ plus inclusive, full-service medical care in South Florida. The Human Rights Campaign Foundation says the index helps LGBTQ plus people identify healthcare providers that demonstrate inclusive policies and practices, giving patients better information about access to equitable care. Based in Fort Lauderdale, Holy Cross Health is a member of Trinity Health and operates a teaching hospital along with outpatient facilities, urgent care centers, and more than 40 physician practices. Queer locals in South Florida will recognize Holy Cross from their integration into the community via testing in many LGBTQ events and businesses. This makes me so happy to see them recognized this way. They are such big actors in our community. They're present everywhere. In any kind of event I see that they're sponsoring, and they're giving their time, their resources. And I have to, as someone who's been there before, I have felt very taken care of, seen. I'm happy to see that they're being recognized this way.
Well, I applaud the HRC for putting an emphasis on cultural competency. And
So
I
nice.
appreciate Holy Cross meeting these benchmarks. It's somewhat telling of where we live that they're the only one in the state, hospital in the state, to get this particular designation.
Right, no, and it's important that, especially in the times that we're living in the state of Florida, where we see a war against our community coming from Tallahassee, at many levels, particularly the trans community in the state of Florida, that, Holy Cross get this designation, and it tells you that we have places that we can go to that will respect us for who we are. So
if there's I'm very funny when it comes to privacy and medical situations, when it comes to LGBTQ issues, right? If I feel like that my doctor doesn't give an F about my feelings about things, like I definitely don't tell everything that only it's a need to know basis kind of thing. So if there's a survey and I don't feel like answering a question or there's something there, like I won't, or I'll check the other box, right? I'm like, I'm not giving you blood right now, whatever. So I don't need to disclose whether I've had sex with men or anything like that. I'm here for a cold. You know what I mean? So like, I'll definitely keep information to myself, particularly if I feel like there is some kind of judgment in the space where I won't be taken care of in the way that I want to be.
Bravo, Holy Cross Health.
Yeah, we can't take for granted this kind of care. It's so important that we think about those things, and thank you for the work you do. There is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.